Pete Gustis here, Springer Realty Group. Just wanted to follow up with you on real estate and wire fraud scams. It's unfortunate, but real estate often has to do with a lot of money. And as you can see here, Shark Tank host Barbara Corcoran actually invests in real estate. So somebody made a fake email, sent it to her accountant, I guess, and what they did, or her bookkeeper, and they asked for roughly $338,700 for renovation work. Fortunately, it looked legitimate, and they wired the money only to realize later it was a fraud. This actually happens all the time. So our office gives a wire fraud notice. And with a wire fraud notice, I often tell people this has nothing to do with me or my office. Unfortunately, because this has happened so many times, it's easy to get deceived. And believe it or not, sometimes a real estate their email has been hacked, or it could be a title company's email or a title attorney. They hack their email. Then when they find a buyer that is paying a large amount of cash, what they'll do is they'll email them and tell them to wire a lot of money. And then what happens is when the wire gets moneyed, you later found out that basically this whole thing was a scam. By the time that's over, the money's already gone. The title company or whoever doesn't know anything about it. So sometimes it's a spoof email. Sometimes they actually hack their email to get that information. So if you're wiring anybody any money for any reason, not just real estate, you should always verify the sender, find out who's doing it. I recommend going to a bank, not doing it online. Actually, I tell my clients that because sometimes with some banks, you can do it online. If you go to the bank, also get the person at the bank to verify that the wiring information is correct. That's your best option to be safe, just to make sure everything's in the up and up. Pete Gustis, real estate agent. Good luck, and hopefully this makes it safer for you in your real estate transaction. Have a great day.